Go on. Go lay down. Go eat. Go eat. Go eat. Go on.
Let LeBron run the show. Basically, that's what he was saying. And he said, I was going to take over myself and let LeBron play around me as well as Chris Bosh. And he did a wonderful job, Jay.
When you get 6 steals, it gives you an opportunity to get out in transition. The team also had 7 big blocks. So now let's toss it to the She has to lay this up.
After convincing Greg Popovich to play him in Game 4, there was absolutely some discussion amongst the group that he not play in Game 4, put a little bit more pressure on San Antonio to have to win Game 5. Not much has changed. Tony Parker spent the last 48 hours trying to get as close to healthy as possible. He'll try to be as aggressive in the second half as he was in the first half of Game 4, but fatigue absolutely played a part. Obviously, the Spurs, it feels like their title hopes hinge on that right hamstring, so we'll see. On the other side of things, LeBron James told us the other day that sometimes his talent, his ability to affect the game as a passer and a scorer can be both a blessing and a curse, that he feels a responsibility to Dwayne Wade and to Chris Bosh to get them involved. But I don't know, Magic Johnson. I recollect a Game 6 on the road, 1980 against Philadelphia, where one Magic Johnson put up 42 points, 15 and 7. Magic, I don't know how you feel, but what about that comparison between you and LeBron James?
Well, you know, the team was out that game, so I had to score points for us to win the game. I think on the road, superstars have to play and shoot more.